Process control. Modern autoclaves are fitted with self-diagnostic systems. Nonetheless, it is essential that the operators periodically check the autoclave functions since, as users, they are obliged to ensure the efficiency of the sterilization process. We recommend keeping records of all the tests carried out and retain them for at least 10 years. Biological tests. The purpose biological testing is to check the efficiency of the autoclave in destroying microorganisms, including spores. Place a biological test vial in the autoclave, positioning it on the central tray, which may also contain a load to be sterilized. Close the door. Select a regular sterilization cycle and start the cycle. At the end of the cycle, remove the vial. Wait 1 minute, then activate it with the appropriate device and place it in the biological incubator for 48 hours. Together with a non-sterilized test vial activated in the normal way. Check the result after 48 hours. The test vial will have turned yellow. The sterilized vial, if it has reacted correctly, will have retained its original color. If the sterilized vial has turned yellow, repeat the test. If the same result is obtained, stop using the appliance and immediately call an authorized technician. Remove the label from the vial, date, and file it. All autoclaves must pass this test. We recommend testing every 30 days. Test with chemical integrators. Integrators are the simplest and most efficient method of continuously monitoring the sterilization cycle. Place an integrator on the upper, central, and lower trays, which may also contain loads. Alternately, insert integrators into each package containing material to be sterilized. Close the door, select a normal sterilization cycle, and start it. At the end of the cycle, remove the integrators and check the response generated. If the test fails, repeat it. If the negative result persists, stop using the appliance and immediately call an authorized technician. The integrator response is positive when the color change falls within the green section labeled Pass. The positive color change does not necessarily have to fill the whole of the integrator window. The tests shown indicate that 1 is negative, whilst 2, 3 and 4 are all positive. Date the integrators and file them normally. All autoclaves must pass this test. We recommend conducting the test daily. Bowie Dick Test. The purpose of the Bowie Dick Test is to check autoclave efficiency of steam penetration of porous bodies. Place the Bowie Dick Test packet on the central tray of the sterilization chamber without any load. Close the door. Select the Bowie Dick cycle and start. At the end of the cycle, remove the packet. Open it and check the results against the internal test sheet. If the test sheet has changed color correctly, it will be dark grey. Otherwise, the test result will be negative. If a negative test result is obtained, repeat the test. If the result is negative for a second time, stop using the appliance and immediately call an authorized technician. Date the test and file it normally. Only those autoclaves certified for sterilizing porous loads have to pass this test. We recommend testing every 30 days. Hallux Test. The purpose of the Hallux Test is to check autoclave efficiency of steam penetration of hollow bodies. Place the indicator in the capsule of the Hallux Test system. Place the Hallux Test system on the central tray of the sterilization chamber without any load. Close the door. Select the Hallux Test cycle and start it. At the end of the cycle, remove the test from the chamber. Open the capsule, extract the indicator and check the result. If the test sheet has changed color correctly, it will be dark grey. Otherwise, the test result will be negative. If a negative test result is obtained, repeat the test. If the result is negative for a second time, stop using the appliance and immediately call an authorized technician. Date the test and file it normally. Indicator 1 is in its original state. Indicator 2 shows a negative test result. Indicator 3 is positive and a perfect pass. Only those autoclaves certified for sterilizing hollow loads have to pass this test. We recommend testing every 30 days. Vacuum Test. The vacuum test verifies the sealing capacity of the chamber during the vacuum phase. The test is carried out via printer report. Do not place any type of load in the autoclave. Close the door. Select the vacuum test cycle and start. At the end of the cycle, check the result by examining the printout issued by the printer connected to the autoclave. If the result is negative, repeat the cycle. If a second negative reading is obtained, stop using the appliance and immediately call an authorized technician. We recommend testing every 7 days. Filing test results. It is important that the test results be filed accurately and retained for at least 10 years. The SterilDoc system has been designed as both an efficient filing system and a method of testing management control.